Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you saw the thumbnail, you already know what this video is going to be about. Yes, the 986 is finally back. If you saw the old video, you would have known that we went to Tail the Dragon a few months ago and it started to smoke. So we actually dropped it off at GSI Motorsport. But for this video, we're actually doing something that we have been waiting for since we got the car. And let me go and show you guys what I'm talking about. For the 986, we decided to go with some BC Racing Coilovers. Let me go ahead and open up this for you guys real quick. And this is the box that BC Racing Coilovers came in. I just want to give another quick shout out to GSI Motorsports for supplying this to us. But we'll just go ahead and dig right into it and see how these coilovers look like. And there they are. They actually do look pretty good. So this is pretty much it. First things first, we do have to lift the 986. So we're just going to go and lift her up on all sides. That way it'll just be easier for us when we start taking off the struts. Alright guys, so a lot of stuff happened last night. Basically, we did not even do anything at all. We set it all up, we put it on all 4 jack stands, and we pretty much just put it back down. So this is like the next day already, and Dave is busy right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just install this side one at a time for now. Got myself some little homemade beer right here. Alright, so the GoPro decided to die on us. But here is how she looks. I have yet to tie and everything. I still got to torque brake caliper to the knuckle, and I still got to finish torquing my actual end links here, and the one down there to the actual sway bar. Take a look at that. But I mean, this is pretty much done. What I'm gonna do, as I was saying earlier, I did have to raise the ride height of the shock, so I had to lower this entire thing down to get it to hook to the sway bar. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and decrease the ride height by about maybe 1.5 inches. All right guys, so once again, didn't get it done. This is like what, 2 days, the next 2 days already, and we got the fronts done. So now we just got to work on the back. Same thing. Okay, so I think this is day 8 now. Moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and just lower it. Ding, dude! Alright everyone, so we are finally done after a few days of installing the coilovers. It's finally on the car. Let me go and show you guys what we did do. If you were following us when we were installing the coilovers, we decided to do about 1.5 inch drop. So that's pretty much how it looks like right now. There's still a relatively good amount of drop. So the problem with this car is that it's being used for daily driving, so we needed it to be as practical as we could. And at the rear, you know, we did just about another 1.5 inches. Maybe whenever we get another car, maybe that's when we can drop it a bit more, but for now, you know, we're just trying to keep it as practical as possible. With that being said, if you guys want to know what happens next to the 986, the 86, the XT, the Z, or the S550, please feel free to like and subscribe. And before I end this video, I'm gonna be showing a really quick montage of the 986 before and after. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Peace. Fine for you now, and
Don't look down, everything will be fine for you now.